When most people think about a locksmith, they think about being locked out of their car or their home. And if that happens, you need help fast. And you need a locksmith you can rely on. But a professional locksmith is so much more. We can service a wide variety of locks and key systems. We can fit new locks and deadbolts. We can repair existing locks and we can make keys. We can advise on the best locking system for your needs. For complete peace of mind, contact us today.
For complete peace of mind, contact us today.